think it's a very proud moment for me to be inducted into the artillery, and being one of the 5 women officers to be inducted into the artillery for the first time in the history is a very big thing. And I'm pretty sure that all of us will do justice to our roles, and we'll exploit our potential, and we'll give our best to the arm and to the organization. Let this be a growth for women empowerment, to take the women empowerment forward for the future, my juniors who will be joining me soon into the artillery.
Artillery came as an opportunity for women officers to join the armed forces in combat role. So that's why we joined the artillery. And a message for all the other women officers out there would be that to join the army, it is a great organization. It gives you an opportunity to explore yourself, and it will definitely help us all in improving ourselves and finding the better version of ourselves. Armed Forces is an organization which gives you equal treatment in all the combat role or services role. Therefore, I feel that stereotype does not exist. We're treated here and trained here at par with the other gentlemen cadets. So that stereotype, I feel, is not there.
This academy is one of the premier institutes all over the world, and we train in Chennai. It's one of the toughest weathers, so we become the toughest officers. And it's an 11th month training, and it's an integrated training for both males and females, so that's an additional advantage. And I've had the proud privilege of representing the RT and joining the regiment of RT. We are the lucky 5, and I hope we can keep up with the good name.
The branch of artillery made me naturally attracted towards this because I was always looking up to my father and I idolized him, and joining gunnery in the form of artillery in the armed forces was a natural choice. Apart from that, I am from commerce background, so the other 3 specifications that I was allotted with, which was intelligence, Army Service Corps and Army Ordnance Corps. All of these 3 are not regiments. The regiment of artillery has regimentization, which means it has units where officers are posted permanently. So there is a certain kind of brotherhood and camaraderie that these regiments have. They have their own history and they have their own past which unite them, and there's a different kind of brotherhood and camaraderie that comes to them. So this is also something that I wanted to look forward to. So that is why I joined the artillery.